Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hotel Viewsing, featuring a review of the Hotel Mountain Brook. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and share it with your friends. With a stay at Hotel Mountain Brook in Tannersville, you'll be within a 10-minute drive of Hunter Mountain and Kaaterskill Falls. This hotel is 14.9 miles 24 kilometers from Catskill Mountains and 14.5 miles 23.3 kilometers from Windham Mountain Resort. Make use of convenient amenities, which include complimentary wireless internet access and an arcade game room. Hotel Mountain Brook has several rooms available for accommodation. If you like the hotel, you can book it by following the link in the description. If you have already stayed at this hotel, you can leave your review in the comments. We are looking forward to your rating for this hotel. The hotel offers several types of breakfasts and various amenities. You can find more details by following the link in the description. Hotel Mountain Brook has several rooms available for accommodation. If you like the hotel, you can book it on trip.com by following the link in the description.